Hey guys, welcome to Jeremy Coasters. In this video, I will be analyzing the new roller coaster coming to Playland Vancouver called ThunderVolt. This coaster is a relocated Intamin accelerator coaster with the hydraulic launch that was in Italy. However, it will be retrofitted by Zamperla like Top Thrill 2 is at Cedar Point. The track layout will not be changing, but the hydraulic launch will be replaced by an LSM launch, and the coaster will be receiving Zamperla's new lightning trains. First, I'll go over the layout. The ride starts with an LSM launch and hits a top speed of 45 miles per hour, making it the fastest launch on a roller coaster in all of Canada, beating out Backlot Stunt Coaster at my home park, Canada's Wonderland. The launch will take you up and you'll reach a max height of 59.1 feet, and the total track length will be 1,246.7 feet. The ride consists of many bank turns and small airtime hills before hitting the brakes, and I will admit the layout could have been more exciting, but it is a relocation after all, and I'm glad to see it saved instead of scrapped. Now I'll talk about the trains. This coaster will be one of 2 roller coasters in 2024 to use Zamperla's new lightning trains. I'll link Zamperla's overview of the trains in the description, but in short, they look comfortable and reliable. I'm not too sure if it'll feature seatbelts or not, but they look to have comfortable lap bar restraints. Finally, I'll go over the name and the color scheme. ThunderVolt is a cool name that definitely works, and the color scheme really pops. It almost reminds me of the old pictures I've seen of the color scheme of X at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Overall, while I have not been to this park yet, this coaster looks like a great addition to Playland. Thank you for watching and feel free to subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.